Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing some Roblox. I'm just going to delete these files. Okay. Alright, let's show you what we can do. First I'm going to have a see if he's on. Nah, he's not. Okay. I'm going to go home. I know what we should play. Thanos got the reality stone. You know, I've got an idea. I'm going to do some Mad Paintball 2, like last time. And then I'm going to some Murder Mystery 2. A second of both games. There we go. Open link. Load again. Just before we start, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Mad Studio. Establishing connecting. Why do we start off with water? I love this suit. Reloading. Right, we'll start off with a heavy and then go with a sniper. Intermission. Just loading. I think we just finished something. Just like last time I started a video. You just finished. I think we've won, so I just got 15 rubies. Rank 8. I wonder how long I've got of this. Because I only bought one day, so this might end in one video. Come on, it's taking so long. You know what? I've got there you go. 2 hours and 16 minutes. Is what I've got. I've got another day now, which is good. Why is it still loading? My guys, I'll see you when this is finished loading. It's so annoying. Right, guys, that actually took a while. I've just had to change server. It was really annoying. I'm gonna deploy. Finally. Okay, after this, what's that guy got? Just the one. After this, I'm going to go for a different game and have a look if we can play anything else. Why did I do that? No, I don't want that. It keeps changing. Glitch. He just glitched through the wall. On a queue. God's sake, is someone trying to hit me from behind? Come. Was that our flag? Ah. Ah, got some hits, Come on, babes. What kind of weapon is that? Right, I'm going to get in deployed. Sorry, I wasn't talking for a sec. Okay, keep going. Around here. You get used to the route after a bit. What's this chart showing? Let's have a look. Red pollution levels. What? Okay, yeah. Where does this one leave? Can you just tell me right here? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. To the left. What's down there? I think I've been down there before. Yeah. Oh. Right, I'm gonna go in there and get the flag. Or at least protect someone that's got their flag. Rapid fire! The way, punks! You know what? Q. What? Yeah, boys. Right, kills 2, deaths 1, max kill streak 1. What? Deaths. I don't know. KDR, I don't know what that is. Right, come on, give me those rubies. Gimme. I need 15. I want 25. Get a new gun. That'd be very useful, actually. Come on, boys. Didn't give me any rubies. Oh. Okay, favourite map, favourite team. If I come up here, good thing I've got my sniper. I can go here. Oh, did you see that? Oh, no. What's going on? That was annoying. Okay, I can shoot from here. I'm just waiting for him to come out, but oh, there you are. Punks, get him! Oh, he's got that devil's one. Okay, he's dead. Right, they're coming up from there. Oh, I can't figure out how to sprint, guys. If you can sprint in this game, tell me. I need to know. To roof. On roof. Okay, they've got there. No, that's where I wanted to go. I'm being attacked from behind, but I don't care. I'm just going to keep going. Sniper. What? Oh, I should have kept moving. Well, I'm going to go there again. Get my sniper out. I need to know how you zoom people. So it's not just Q to change. What is the zoom? Oh. Okay, we're winning by far. Whoa. Dude, was that his head? What? 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 Right, I need to go round there and get him with my assault. Or heavy, even. Sadly, I can't jump over that. What are these guys firing at? I got 2 hits. That was it. I'm gonna heal up. Jeez. Ooh! Got some hits though. I'm gonna keep commentating and try. I think they're infiltrating our base. It's quite annoying. That's not gonna go far. Right. The question is, how are we gonna get our base back? Oh, close, boys. Close. It's a good thing I've got 2 weapons. No, don't tell me there's someone here. Where'd he go? Imagine if I'd got. Oh. Ah. I want to get those sneaky shots. I'm gonna get destroyed from there. What's going on? No, no, no. Keep it on. Hell no, hell no. Almost got me there, boys. Almost got me there. Okay. Wait, what? He was up there. I need to. Okay, he's dead. I need to concentrate. We haven't got much long. We haven't got much more long thingy. Blah blah blah. Oh, I can't. I don't even know how to talk now. What? We haven't got long until I have to end this video. I've only got 2 minutes left. That ain't gonna end well. Oh, oh. Oh, defeat. No rubies. Okay. Right, have a look at a different game quickly. Oops, sorry guys. Shut that down. What was I going to say we were going to play? Oh yeah, alright. We're going to play Mystery 2, a very hungry Pikachu. OMG, Thanos! It's not Thanos! Right, spoiler, spoiler, spoiler. He gets the Infinity Stones. That's why they're saying he's a spoiler. Wait, can we can click on it? No. Open link. Oh, this is annoying. Guys, we're glitching. No, we're glitching, boys. Right, guys, I'm going to have to end the video here. I'll play some Murder and Mystery next time in the next video. So, end it here and see you in the next one. Bye.